explaining how to use the interactive system to receive commands from the central control or the command zone. First, create a new Unity application. Then import the SDK package. Click Import. Open a sample scene for interactive text prompts. First, locate this script. The UDP port for the interactive system is 899. You need to establish a UDP server to listen for commands on port 899. Then create a listening service. When touching different sensing areas or sending UDP commands, this script can receive messages from the interactive system. Here, I simulate that the interactive system sends 6000 and 6001 after attaching this script to your scene. Upon receiving messages, you can process your own program logic in your application. Then click Publish. Add your scene to the publication, then click Settings. There are no specific requirements for the window title here. Ensure that the options on the right are all selected. Choose the third option from the first drop-down box. Click Publish. Click Save. This completes the packaging process. Next, test the effect of the central control receiving messages in a real environment. Drag and drop the published program into the playback schedule. Here, you need to set up the sensing area. The sensing area detects whether a touch occurs at different positions, even without a projection. Here, two sensing areas are set. Then double-click. Now, touching different areas will receive different commands. When touching the middle or this position on the screen, the system will receive commands 6000 and 6001. Touching the right side will receive a command 6000. In this way, in your program, you can use different commands to determine triggering different areas for your application development.